Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Amira here, and for today's video guys, so sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapag-cooking video, so today is the day. But before anything else, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at i-click mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na aking i-upload. So guys, ano nga ba ang menu natin for today? So I have here the mixed chicken part. And I'm still thinking kung ano ang gagawin natin sa manok na yan. But maybe, kung hindi tayo magbibiryani, and let's see kung ano nga ba ang lulutuin natin for today. Meron ako dito mga spices. So I have this biryani spices. And I feel like I'm cooking biryani na hindi. Alam mo yun? Bahala na mag-experiment na lang tayo. So, first thing na gagawin natin ay huhugasan natin yung chicken, of course. So, let's go! So, guys, hugasan na natin yung ating chicken. Lagay na natin siya dito sa strainer. Pagpasensya nyo na, guys, kung ang ilaw natin ay masyadong madilim. Madilim. Kasi nga, guys, yan na talaga yung ilaw dyan. So, hindi ko pa nakukuha yung ating ring light and everything. So, kapag nagmamanok kasi kami or nagluluto ako ng manok, guys. Okay. First thing na ginagawa ko, tinatanggal ko yung skin. Kasi ayaw namin ng skin. Kasi nga cholesterol dye. So, I'm gonna remove that skin. And ito-throw natin yan. This skin, I'm gonna remove it. So, also dito. So, para mapadali ang buhay natin, guys, ita-time-lapse ko na lang kayo. Ano? So guys, nahugasan ko na tong ating chicken. Natanggalan ko na siya ng mga skin. And kailangan ko pa siya ulit hugasan para mawala yung kanyang langsa. So meron ako ditong turmeric. So lalagyan lang natin siya ng turmeric powder. Okay. Then, meron din akong vinegar. So, lalagyan lang din natin siya ng vinegar. Dato puti, baka naman char lang. So, lagyan natin siya ng vinegar, guys. Para mawala yung kanyang langsa. Then, we're just gonna mix it. So, let's skip this one little sometimes na nandyan sa turmeric and vinegar para ma-absorb or para manuot yung turmeric sa loob ng ating chicken at matanggal yung mga langsaw. So, let's proceed first sa ating mga ingredients. So, meron lang akong tomato. Ayan, ito gagamit ko na tong tomato na to kasi sira na siya. Pero, okay pa naman. Siguro tatapyasan lang natin. Then, we have also the onion. We have the garlic. Ika-cut ko lang yan, guys. So, i-cut na natin to. Mag-start ako sa garlic. Or, i-just like, tatanggalan lang natin yung mga balat-balats. So, hindi naman kailangan pino yung garlic, guys. Then, let's proceed sa ating onion. Cut na natin siya. Oh, naiiyak ako. Oh my goodness. Then, ang ating tomato. So, tatanggalin ko lang yung sirang part. Then, I'll cut it. Then, I'm gonna wash it. Then, I'm gonna cut. Hindi naman kailangan ng malalaki or maliliit. Kasi, i-blend din natin yan later. So, yan guys. Itabi muna natin itong ating mga ingredients. And balik tayo dito sa ating chicken. So, what I'm going to do is, hugasan ko ulit siya ng water. So, hugasan natin. Lagay ko siya dito sa skilling. Okay. So, let's wash. Make sure na matanggal yung ating mga turmeric there. I-drain lang natin to ng konti guys para matanggal yung ating water. Ayan ko na ulit yung ating chicken and mamarinate na natin siya sa iba't ibang spices. So, first, meron ako ditong 7 spices. This one, naka-ground na siya. So, lalagyan lang natin. Okay. Then, I'm gonna get as well this is chicken biryani spices. Lagyan natin ng konti. Okay. Then, I'm gonna add, of course, salt. Okay, salt. Black pepper. And I'm gonna cut some parsley as well. Nakalimutan ko kanina, guys. I'm gonna cut parsley. So maybe like 4 stem ng parsley or 5 stem ng parsley. So wash ko lang. So, ikakat ko lang tong parsley, guys. We keep this aside. Then, I'm gonna drop the parsley over here. Put some tomato paste. Only little. Okay, then I'm gonna mix it. So, we'll set this aside and we'll go on to our rice. So, for the rice, guys, I'm gonna use this white long grain basmati rice. So, iwawash ko lang siya, guys. And ibababad lang natin siya for quite some times habang minamarinate lang natin yung ating chicken. So, I'm gonna soak this basmati rice for quite some time and I will keep it here. Lagay muna natin yan siya dyan. So, guys, for other ingredients, gagamitin ko tong BlendJet. Actually, all-in-one kasi to. Pwede siyang pang spices, pwede siyang pang nuts, pwede siyang pang smoothie, milkshake, and everything. So, gagamitin ko to and I'm gonna blend yung ibang ingredients tulad ng etong tomato and ang ating onion and some spices. So, lagay lang natin siya dito sa ating BlendJet. Yan. Oops, sorry. Pwede siya dyan. Okay. Then, we'll close it. I-blend muna natin itong ating tomato. I-press ko lang siya. So, napaka-handy nito, guys. And kung gusto niyo mag-travel and do your own milkshake, pwede niyo siyang gamitin. So, yan guys, okay na siya. Na-blend na siya. And yan, isa-set aside lang din natin yan for now. Then, I'll be back later kapag ready na tayo magluto. So, guys, we will start cooking, okay? I'm gonna open the stove. So guys, magluluto na tayo. And pasensya na kayo sa aking lightning kasi I don't know guys. Hindi pa ako Actually, yung tripod ko kasi, tsaka yung ring light na ginagamit ko, naiwan ko siya sa Doha. So, today, let's figure out kung paano to magiging okay. And, yeah, samahan nyo lang ako sa aking pagluluto. So, let's start. So, kapag dry na yung ating pan, maglalagay tayo ng ating cooking oil. Then, painitin lang natin yung ating oil. And kapag mainit na yung ating oil, guys, lagay na natin yung ating spices first. Ating spices. Lutuin na natin sa oil ang ating spices, guys. Ito yung mga hindi na, yung mga full spices like bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cloves. Yan. Then, we'll add ating onion. Then, we'll add the garlic as well. Let's wait hanggang mag-golden brown yung ating onion and ang ating garlic. If golden brown na yung ating onion and garlic, guys, let's add the chicken. Keep lang natin yung ating chicken for quite some time. Then, i-cover lang din natin. After that, ibalik tayo lang natin yung chicken, guys. Dahil ipapray naman natin siya later, i-add na natin yung mixture na ginawa natin kanina. I'm gonna put this. Then I'm gonna add some water. Then I'm gonna add some little more water. So since wala akong dried lemon, I'm gonna use fresh lemon, but this size only. So I'm gonna put it there. And I will cover up and let it shimmer. Look at that, guys. I'm not sure. I think this one is okay now. So what I'm going to do is I will get the strainer and I will put the chicken. I will remove the chicken, guys. Kasi ipa-fry natin yan. So I'm gonna put back the rice. So let's cover our rice and let it boil for quite some time. Lagay tayong mantika, guys. Ipa-fry natin yung ating chicken. Kapag mainit na ang ating frying pan, lagay na natin yung ating chicken, guys. So let's remove this chicken here. So let's wait until our rice will be cooked and I'll update you later. So guys, let's check the rice. If like the rice is like that. Now we'll put the chicken on the top. Since I don't have aluminum foil, I'm gonna use this. So I will put it here. Just for it will not become out. And I will use more the fire. So guys, I will update you later once kakain na tayo. I'm so hungry. Let's go. So guys, let's eat. And I make this sauce. This one is mixed tomato, onion, and parsley. So this is our biryani. Let's eat, guys. Asawa? Let's eat, okay? And tell me what is the taste. Let's eat. Bismillah. It's nice. It's very, very nice.
Of course, because you are the one who cooking.
So what is the taste, Yani? It's not good?
After 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes. So it's still absorbing, Yani? Still absorbing. It's really nice. Even without the sauce. Why every time we are eating, you are giving me the bones?
You will eat later or what?
So for me, only the bones, right?
Diet.
Diet. Why it takes you so long? I want you to give review, honest review. It's good or it's not good.
Spicy.
Not too much. If you want spicy, get less. Ano? It's good. This one, it's not spicy. It's good, asawa? It's good daw. So, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Pagpapatuloy lang namin ang aming dinner. And see you on my next video. Bye!